Huda, you the goat, boy.
Hi guys, it's ARIBA and we're going to be making some hot chocolate for you guys today. So this recipe is very easy. I'm making a non-dairy version of this recipe, but you guys can make a dairy version as well. So I'm going to be going in with some cashew milk because it's like nice and thick. But you can also go in with just whole milk if you like. And I'm also going to go in with some homemade coconut milk whipped cream. And I'm actually going to link this down below. I made this a couple of weeks ago on my channel. So we're also going to be going in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're also going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and you can use agave or sugar if you like. And then we're going to go in with about 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. This is raw organic cocoa powder. And we're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened dark chocolate. But I like to go in with about a tablespoon of cornstarch just to thicken the hot chocolate, and it makes it like look almost like chocolate pudding. So that's kind of like a little secret ingredient that I add to my hot chocolate, but it's completely optional, so you can leave that out if you like. So the best part about this hot chocolate is that there's only one step to it. Everything goes into the pot at the same time. So it's very quick and very easy. So we're gonna start, can I help you? Okay, so we're gonna start with 3 cups of non-dairy milk. And again, you can go in with regular dairy milk if you like. I'm going in with cashew milk. Next, we're gonna go in with a teaspoon of vanilla. Can you pour that in? Ready? Whoa, good job, Liz. And then we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of sweetener. And again, we're going in
maple syrup.
Yeah, we're going in with maple syrup, but you can use agave or honey or sugar, whatever you like. And then we're gonna go in with 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and this is raw organic cocoa powder. That was not slowly. And then we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of that chocolate that we cut up earlier. Oh, good job. We're gonna place the pot on medium heat, and we're gonna whisk it until everything kind of melts and dissolves all together. And you wanna take it off the stove right before it boils. And then as soon as you take it off of the heat, we're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Again, this is completely optional. And I'm gonna just add a little bit of that leftover milk, and I'm gonna dissolve it separately and then slowly pour it into the pot. You can also test out the sugar at this point. I like to leave my hot chocolate a little bit bitter, but if you like your sweeter, this is the opportunity to add more sweetener. This recipe only calls for about 2 tablespoons of sweetener, but you can go up to 6. And then just ladle it into one of your favorite cups, and you'll see as it starts to cool down, it'll thicken kind of like chocolate pudding.
I want the fancy cup.
You do?
Yeah.
Who's excited for the chocolate?
Me.
More?
Yeah. More to mine. It is whipped cream.
Whoa.
I like silly.
And then you can top it with some of that leftover raw cocoa or some of the cocoa powder as well.
Oh my god.
This also tastes really great with a shot of espresso. You can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top. You can even add some marshmallows. And this recipe makes about 4 servings. Can you slow down? No.
I'm the holding.
Oh God, they're gonna be shaking.
Okay.
Tell me that's the best one you've ever had in your life.
One more.
Yummy?
Yeah. Got it?
Okay. What are you guys doing with the chocolate?
Hey,
No.
that's my chocolate.
Okay, hold on. I give you a sip, hands down. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Yummy.
Mine.
Oh, chocolate.